Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure internships with Handshake, detailed guide step by step clearly. Create an account on Handshake by registering with your email address. Fill in your basic profile information, including your name, school, and graduation date. Upload a professional profile photo that conveys a Complete the education section, including your major, GPA, and relevant coursework. Add any work experience, internships, and volunteer activities that highlight your skills. Include a skills section with both hard and soft skills relevant to your field. Customize your privacy settings to your comfort level for employers viewing your profile. Begin exploring jobs by using the search bar to filter positions by keywords, location, and job type. Set up job alerts based on your search criteria to receive notifications about new postings. Utilize the Handshake events section to find career fairs and networking opportunities. Attend workshops offered through Handshake to enhance your resume and interview skills. Network with fellow students by joining groups or following companies of interest. Research companies on Handshake to understand their values, culture, and job openings. Tailor your resume for each internship application, targeting specific skills mentioned in the job description. Write thoughtful cover letters that demonstrate your enthusiasm and fit for the role. Submit your applications through Handshake, ensuring all documents are attached and formatted correctly. Track your applications within the Handshake platform to manage deadlines effectively. Prepare for interviews by practicing common questions and researching the company thoroughly. Follow up with employers after interviews to express gratitude and reaffirm your interest. Continue to actively engage on the platform by updating your profile and seeking feedback from peers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.